here I am back again. I photocopied this, magging up to almost the same size as that. Then I cut out the little boat. So you can draw the little boat, paint it in watercolour or acrylic or whatever, and then move it around. But it's very quick to do it this way, just to give, so you can get an idea of where you want to place it. Here I've got it, and then if I place it about there, get that original photo back for you. If I place it there in the middle, that's where it was proportionally in the other one. I actually quite like it in the middle. So compositionally wise, we're taught don't put things in the middle of the painting. I actually quite like it there. And although the boat's right in the middle, the brightest part of the boat is off to the side, and there'll be a little buoy out there, or buoy, however you say them in your language and dialect. There'll be a little buoy or buoy out there which is very white and the lightest part, so the centre of interest is kind of going there. Now if we move the boat around, I could move it more off centre and move it further up there, and then with the dark tree overlaying it, that could work as well. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get a feel. I don't really want it down off to the centre down here because it's just really taking me out of the painting. I could put it up further so it's overlapping in the shadows of the hill and then into the water there. And that could be quite effective because you've got the white hull of the boat against the deep dark trees there. So I could put it there, but I actually liked, that's what drew me to the scene in the first place, having it's a little bit of blue tack I'm using to put it on, was just the boat in the clear blue with all the clear blue water around it. And I keep being drawn back to where it was in the middle. For some reason, I liked it like that. And I think I'm probably just going to leave it there. So moving it around does help you. Having a little cutout and moving it around does help you kind of visualise better than just thinking about it.